Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be learning about BPL Löwenstein Leoni Plus High Frequency Oscillator Ventilator, a versatile German product dedicated to neonatal and pediatric applications. A ventilator that supports invasive, non-invasive, and high-flow oxygen therapy for neonate and pediatric patient categories. Leoni Plus represents an innovative ventilation platform for present and future medical applications. With its state-of-art 12-inch touchscreen, Leoni Plus HFO enables wider viewability of patient analytics. The agile user interface with instant view technology gives an intuitive grasp of patient situation, trends, and necessary interventions. A unique double-membrane HFO technology enables active inspiration and active expiration. An inbuilt battery backup for 200 minutes in conventional mode and 60 minutes in high-frequency modes ensures better patient care during critical ventilation procedures. Let us now have a closer look at Leoni Plus HFO ventilator. Gas supply connection. Leoni Plus HFO can be connected to central air and oxygen gas outlets. High-pressure color-coded hoses supply gases. Power cord connection. A 2-meter-long 2-pin power cord provides an easy reach to the power plug source. Expiratory flow sensor port connection. A proximal hot wire sensor can be connected to Leoni Plus by an extended flow sensor cable. RS-232, USB, Ethernet port, nurse calls, interface to mesh nebulizer, interface to PDMS, and software patches upgradation and calibration. Mains on switch. This is the machine on switch. It also enables standby and switch off options during the ventilation. A 12-inch high-resolution color touch display control with keypad and encoder knob is removable and can be mounted on pendant for easy accessing. The expiratory valve and proximal sensor can be easily removed and sterilized. Ports for airway pressure measurement and HFO output. A trolley assembly with a holder to mount heater-humidifier assembly. Support arm. This articulating arm can be used for hanging the breathing circuit. Press the master control switch to switch on the device. The unit will boot up with the self-test and will show a test checklist along with a traffic light indication. With a proper assembly of breathing circuit, the machine will check for leakage, pneumatics, sensors, power supply voltages, etc. Once all the self-tests are successfully completed, the unit will enter the sensor calibration page. In case of failure of the test, press Continue Anyway to enter the calibration page. Block the expiratory flow sensor with thumb and forefinger. Press Calibrate and then press Next. We can see blue and red line movement with voltage variations. These lines should coincide at the center and give an indication of Done with a beep sound. On completion of successful sensor calibration, press Ventilation at the bottom of the screen to enter the standby mode. In standby mode, the user will have the following options to select from: type of ventilation, invasive and non-invasive. Ventilation mode. Default settings are available with auto alarm settings. Press the start button to initialize the ventilation. The screen is mainly divided into 4 zones: ventilator control, monitoring and patient numeric parameter, waveforms and loops, alarm message area. The main screen will continuously monitor important parameters such as FiO2, expiratory tidal volume, inspiratory tidal volume, peak airway pressure, minute volume, PEEP, I/E ratio and frequency, leakage, compliance, C20/C index, resistance. More parameters like loops, alarm auto set can be seen by touching the keypad. Leoni Plus HFO can display up to 3 waveforms simultaneously in different colors. Waveforms are user configurable, where users can manually scale, zoom, and choose to view 3 loops with an option of saving one reference loop. Leonie plus HFO features visual and audible alarm as per IEC standards. Alarms are categorized into 2 levels: high priority alarms and indicative alarms. It can be differentiated by looking at the display for message and hearing the alarm tone. High priority alarms are shown in red color with a longer tone so that it immediately captures the user's attention. Indicative alarms are shown in different color with a shorter alarm tone. Alarm volume will automatically be adjusted with respect to ambient noise in NICU. Up to 72 hours of trend data can be saved along with 4,500 alarm logs. By pressing the trend icon, all the recorded alarms and trends can be viewed with time and date. Keeping varied patient needs in consideration, Leonie plus HFO comes with the following features and modes of operation. Closed loop automatic control of oxygen for auto regulation of SpO2. Thank you for watching this video.